Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the SogesHome Kitchen Island Cart, a versatile and sturdy addition to your kitchen. Made with high-quality MDF and particle board, it features a durable 3 cm thick rubber wood countertop that can hold up to 110 pounds. This cart offers ample storage with 2 drawers, a spice rack, and a spacious 2-door cabinet with adjustable shelves for all your kitchen essentials. Its multifunctional design works perfectly as a kitchen island, dining bar, or even a microwave cart. Equipped with 4 360-degree rotating wheels, 2 of which lock for stability, it's easy to move and secure. Measuring 43.3 by 17.7 by 32.5 inches, it fits well in most homes and restaurants. Upgrade your kitchen space with this stylish and practical rolling cart today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.